Hello guys, welcome to Amobi YouTube channel. If you are an iPhone user, then you might know that iPhone requires password each time after restarting your device. So if you forgot your password, then it's very hectic to open up the device. So in today's video I'll discuss about how you can easily bypass the password in iPhone. Here in first method, just take your iPhone and tries to restart it. After the device is restarted, you have many combinations to put into the device, but this is very hectic and if you put wrong password many times, then your iPhone may be locked. So this method is not good, so we use the second method. Here in the second method, just download any lock from description link and then hit unlock screen passcode feature, and after that connect your device using USB and hit start option, and after that hit the download now option. It takes sometimes depending on your internet connection speed. After that hit the unlock now option. After that it will take few minutes to remove the password from your device. After that your password is removed from your device, set it up and enjoy. So thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query.